got the hiccups in the morning. I've got the hiccups till at night. Here comes another, and yet another. Tell me how to stop this blight. Why do I hiccup in the morning? Why do I hiccup till at night? Don't know what caused it, wish I could stop it. Hiccups giving me a fright. I tried to hold my breath forever. I tried to wash the hiccups down. I even tried to scare myself to stop that